Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the progress of your American Express Amex welcome bonus. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your account on the American Express website, or open up the Amex mobile app and log in with your credentials. And then from there, select the credit card for which you're tracking the welcome bonus of, and then look for a section related to rewards or account activity. This area usually provides details on your earned points, remaining spent, and progress towards meeting the bonus requirements. And then from there, review the bonus details. So the progress towards the welcome bonus may be listed under your account summary or rewards dashboard. It might show you how much more spending is needed or how close you are to earning that bonus. And if you're having any issues trying to find or see the progress of your welcome bonus, just contact their customer service team. They're very helpful in regards to this matter. So you can contact Amex customer support by going to the website and searching for contact, or message us. And yeah, so ensure you also review the terms and conditions of your welcome offer to understand the requirements and time frame for earning that bonus as well.